What should I know about a felony OVI in Ohio? I'm Shawn Dominy. I'm an Ohio OVI lawyer, and this video is going to answer that question. If you're charged with a felony OVI, there are a couple of things you must know. The first is the potential consequences, and the second is what to expect in court. Regarding the potential consequences, the sentence for a felony OVI depends whether it's your first felony or a second felony. The sentencing is slightly different, but it's all bad. If you're charged and convicted for a felony OVI, the minimum jail sentence is either 60 days in jail or 120 days in jail, and the maximum jail sentence is 1 year for a first felony or up to 3 years in prison for a second felony. Of course, there are additional consequences that come along with a felony OVI conviction, such as forfeiture of your vehicle, yellow license plates, ignition interlock device, use of scram, probation, and the list goes on. So if you're charged with a felony offense, you need to also know about the second thing I mentioned, which is what to expect in court. Now, if you've gotten to this point where you're charged with a felony offense, you've probably been through the court process before, so you have some idea of what to expect, but you should know it's not going to get any better each time you go back. And the first time you appear in court, you're probably not going to get any kind of plea bargain offered. Your choices are likely to be plead guilty, plead not guilty, or plead no contest. If you plead guilty or you plead no contest, you'll likely be sentenced immediately, and the sentence will be what I described earlier. So if you plead not guilty, then you'll have additional court appearances, you'll have the opportunity to review and evaluate the prosecution's evidence, and you'll have an opportunity to present a defense. If you are charged with a felony OVI offense, I can imagine this is very overwhelming for you. For that reason, I recommend educating yourself. You should learn as much as you can about your situation. There are additional videos that will help you do that, and there are also several pages on OVI topics on my website. The website also has an ebook which you can download for free and have a lot of information in one concise resource. So if you're facing a felony OVI, I hope that you find this video and all those resources are helpful.